Maxine, test natin acting skills mo.
Sige.
Kunwari, nag-water birth ka.
Oh my God! Nag-water birth?
Go, go! Kunwari ko yung midwife sa Lila.
Okay.
Kami yung ano, one of us is the father. And we don't know.
Go!
Yeah, it's okay. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Who's the father?
He's the father. Just me. Somebody look at me.
Somebody else! Ay, ikaw yung doctor, diba? Go! Go! Yes, ikaw yung doctor. Go! Do something! Do something!
It's not a boy.
Where?
Nasaan yung baby? Nasaan yung baby?
Ikaw yung doctor.
Alala mo yung ano natin sa Diyos?
Yes! Yung ako yung nakanganak?
Sinyata rin.
Ah, no! Si Dayan!
Si Dayan!
Si Dayan! We were racing.
Basta yung meron yun sa Cinemalaya. There's this movie.
Si Dayan, hindi kayo nabigay ano.
Boy, take care of your baby.
Did you say so?
Mag-pray ka naman, nandito siya.
Ginagalit-galo mo siya.
Wait, kantahan mo yung baby mo. Kantahan mo.
Baby pa to, hindi siya mukhang baby eh.
Kunwari, binabreastfeed mo kunwari.
Mukhang gatin.
Kano ba? You're not supposed to buy your baby.
Hindi
I saw that!
Dito ako kasi lang yung
Parang ang matay.
Ay, jeez.